Hi, let's talk about subtracting three-digit numbers using a number line. Here's my number line, here's my problem, so let's get started. When I'm subtracting on a number line, I always put my minuend, which is the first and biggest number in a subtraction problem, on the right side of the number line. I do this because I want to show counting backward by moving to the left. So I'm going to write 687 on here. Now I'm going to subtract, and I'm always going to start subtracting with my ones. So if I have 687, my ones place is a 7, and in my subtrahend, the number I'm taking away is a 9. I can't take away, I can take away all 9 at once, but it's going to be much easier to take away 7 first and get this number to a 10. So I'm going to show a jump of 7. 687 minus 7 is going to be 680. Up here, I started with 9. Now I've shown 7. That leaves me with 2. So I'm going to subtract 2 here, and that will bring me to 678. So you see how I'm super flexible with my numbers, and I can do it in a way that's going to be as easy as possible, so I'm not going to make a mistake. And now I've got my 2, I've shown 2, so I've shown all 9 here. This is just me keeping track of making sure I show all of my ones. Now I can subtract my tens. I have 9 tens I need to take away, but here I have a 7 in the tens place. Same problem I had with the ones place. So I'm going to take away 7 tens at first. And I'm going to do that, let me think. I'm going to do that just in one big jump of 70. So I'm going to take away 70. That leaves me with 608. So I had 90. I took away 70. That leaves me with 20. Now I can take away them in 2 jumps of 10 because that's what I think will be easiest. Remember, I'm always doing here what I think will be easiest. So 608 minus 10 is going to be 598. 598 minus 10 is going to be 588. Now I can subtract my hundreds. I have 200 here, so I'm going to do 2 jumps of 100. 100 and 100. And notice that I always label my jumps because looking at them, it's hard to see what number they would represent. So 588 minus 100 equals 488, and 488 minus 100 equals 388. So this strategy, I would say, is not the best strategy for subtracting three-digit numbers just in general. But you might come across a situation where this is going to be the best strategy, or this is the strategy that you like, and that's great. You should always subtract using the strategy that works best for you. I show it to you because I want you to know how to do it, and it's helpful when you're being flexible with numbers to understand how they line up on the number line and how you can change them by taking away or adding. So this is one of those skills that you might not use on a regular basis, but it's just going to make you a better mathematician to understand how it works. And you never know, you may come across a time when this is going to be what is most helpful. All right, look at that worksheet that you started before watching the video. Put it away when you're done. Tomorrow, look at the review sheet and then try the activity. 5 to 10 minutes a night for several nights in a row are going to help you feel really comfortable with this skill. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.